Question 18, we've got that 7 kilograms of carrots and 5 kilograms of tomatoes cost 480 pence. We're also told that the cost of 1 kilograms in ratio with the cost of 1 kilogram of tomatoes is 5 to 9. Work out the cost and so on. Okay, well, we've got to do quite a lot of maths before we can work out what 1 kilogram of carrots and 1 kilogram of tomatoes costs. Let's set up an equation with this first one. Instead of carrots, I'm going to use C and T for tomatoes. So I get that 7C plus 5T is equal to 480. Now we've got two unknowns here, so there's nothing we can do about that equation because all we can do is quote C in terms of T or T in terms of C. That's not going to go very far. But we can get another equation by working on the ratio that they've quoted here. Remember, C is 1 kilogram of carrots, so I can say that C as a ratio with T is equal to 5 to 9. So turning these into fractions, I can say that C over T is equal to 5 over 9. And if we cross multiply, 9C is equal to 5T. Doesn't matter which we solve for first. Let's make T the subject. T is equal to 9 over 5C. So we've got two simultaneous equations. Now that we've got two equations linking T and C, we can solve. So sub, and I'm putting 1 into 2. So wherever I see T, I'm going to write 9 over 5C. So therefore 7C plus 5, 9 over 5C, is equal to 480. The 5's cancel. 7C plus 9C is 16C, is equal to 480. And therefore C is equal to 30. So actually that's the first of our results. 1 kg of carrots costs 30 pence. Now what about tomatoes? Well, we can use equation 1 for that. T is equal to 9/5 of C. So therefore T is equal to 9 over 5 multiplied by the cost of this, which is 30. 5 into 30 goes 6. Therefore 1 kilogram of tomatoes is equal to 9 times 6, 54 pence. And there are the two answers they were after.